Good morning, everyone. Today, I Janvi. Before I start the session, I would like to ask you a simple question. How many of you feel stressed before exam, homework, or in problems of daily life? There are so many people who feel stressed. But stress is a common part in our life. But too much stress can make us very tired and feel lazy, and we can't be focused on our studies. So today I would like to tell you the easy way to become stress free person. So firstly, we all have to and we all have to uh, take 10-minute peace in a in a alone room and breathe deeply, breathe deeply. Then this is called meditation, and we can also relax. We can also feel relaxed. And next, we all have to do exercise regularly. Doing exercise, we can fit our body and mind healthy. With this, we can also with this we can also decrease our stress and connect with nature. We all have to connect with nature. I saw many of people did not connect with nature. They always they always live in home. They don't go in outdoor playing outdoor games. So you all have to go outdoors for playing some any sports like walking and doing yoga and running, etc. That's help us to re- that help us to decrease our stress. And I and more ways to find peace is like firstly we firstly I saw many of students of class of teenagers that they don't sleep early. They always they always sleep at 1 p.m., 1 a.m., 1 and 2 a.m. But uh, with this we can't be uh, with this we cannot be able to perform well in our whole day. So we all have to sleep 7 to 8 hours daily. And next, positive social connections. Spend times with your family and trusted friends. also dinner with also dinner with them and also dinner with them and next, stay healthy boundaries. And many people don't. Many people say yes to people that can you please do my work. So many people say yes. So learn to say no because when you say no, you, you can be very stressed with this. You have not burden of anything. And lastly, we all have to eat hydrated, eat well, and also drink plenty of water to 10 times. We all have to drink water. With this, we are very hydrated. And if you are feeling very lonely, so you talk to your trusted friends and share your feelings with them. With this, we can feel very stress free. So my last question from you is, what stress free way you will firstly do? जो मैंने आपको समझा उसमें से कौन सा आप पहले करना चाहते हैं?
sleeping early, sleeping early so that we get up fresh. Okay.